Greetings, esteemed marketers and content creators. We extend a warm welcome to you on this enlightening episode. Today, our spotlight shines brightly on a game-changing entity in the world of marketing. Groove.ai. If you're on a quest to fortify your marketing prowess and propel your business to unprecedented heights, you've stumbled upon the perfect juncture. In the next few moments, we'll embark on an immersive journey through the realm of Groove.ai, uncovering its multifaceted facets, benefits, advantages, drawbacks, and we'll even unveil an ingenious content strategy that harnesses its potential to the fullest. Let's dive into this reservoir of knowledge and innovation without further ado. To lay the foundation, let's commence our voyage with a comprehensive understanding of Groove.ai. In essence, Groove.ai stands as an all-encompassing marketing platform, meticulously designed to alleviate the complexities of modern marketing landscapes. Whether it's generating leads, orchestrating intricate email campaigns, sculpting ingenious sales funnels, or even delving into data-driven analytics, Groove.ai emerges as your stalwart companion on this journey of marketing excellence. As we tread deeper into the intricacies, let's pivot our attention to a judicious review of Groove.ai. Empowered by first-hand experiences and rigorous evaluations, our team has meticulously dissected Groove.ai's functionalities and features to provide you with an unfiltered perspective. From its sleek and intuitive user interface to its robust automation capabilities, we're committed to unveiling the essence of Groove.ai and empowering you with insights that facilitate astute decisions. The bounteous array of benefits that Groove.ai bestows upon its wielders is nothing short of awe-inspiring. Brace yourselves for a paradigm shift in your marketing endeavors. By seamlessly amalgamating diverse marketing tools into a unified ecosystem, Groove.ai catalyzes the engagement of your audience and bolsters lead conversion rates. Moreover, its analytics prowess equips you with a compass to navigate the seas of marketing, steering you towards the shores of data-driven success. Time, they say, is the currency of life dash. And Groove.ai grants you the priceless gift of time through its streamlined processes. Now, let's pivot our gaze to the scales of equilibrium. The pros and cons that embellish Groove.ai's journey. Illuminating the pros, we're greeted by an expansive spectrum of features catering to your marketing exigencies. The allure of cost-effectiveness beckons, as does the tantalizing prospect of mastering Groove.ai's potentials. Yet, as with any endeavor, there exist nuances. The learning curve that accompanies any novel tool, and the sporadic tech glitches that may surface. This candid overview empowers you with a holistic perspective, enabling an informed verdict for your business. The power of Groove.ai extends beyond its tools. It permeates the very core of your content strategy. Prepare to embark on an odyssey of strategy creation that optimally channels Groove.ai's prowess. From crafting enticing lead magnets to nurturing leads, through automated email sequences, and culminating in persuasive sales funnels, we're unwrapping a step-by-step blueprint that aligns your content with Groove.ai's capabilities. Elevate your content game and sculpt the narrative of your marketing odyssey with precision. As we approach the culmination of our expedition through Groove.ai, let us etch these insights into our marketing lexicon. A tool, as potent as Groove.ai, transcends its binary existence to become an extension of your innovative acumen. Armed with the right strategy and a reservoir of creativity, Groove.ai stands poised to catalyze your marketing escapades. Embrace this juncture as the threshold of boundless possibilities. Unleash marketing excellence with Groove.ai by clicking on the link below. Our endeavor finds its zenith in this concluding note. If this exploration has ignited the fires of insight within you, do not hesitate to wield your influence. Engage the like button, share this beacon of knowledge with your fellow marketers, and embark on a voyage of transformation by subscribing to our channel. A plethora of reviews, strategies, and insights await your insatiable thirst for marketing excellence. Until we converge again, stand as the harbinger of innovation. And may your journey with Groove.ai be nothing short of extraordinary. Here's to your marketing zenith.